Once fused with
I'm
organic
back.
life, they spread rapidly from the host, afflicting whole populations with a deadly plague.
All according to the plague god's desires.
Yes. But what confounds me is how it spread so quickly between solar systems. I have issued an interdiction order for this sector. Interplanetary travel will be limited. With the Emperor's mercy, it will buy us some time.
Denial. The baleful edict is far too damaged to begin a new campaign.
And yet it must. This bloom is already ripening, evolving fast towards some dire purpose. Would you truly turn your back on the trillions of souls the plague god threatens to devour?
Never. But how do you propose we stop it?
This seed radiates a psychic imprint from what I believe to be some kind of origin. With further research, I will be able to pinpoint that location.
I would rather we simply purge them.
That is the difference between us, Purifier. You are the hammer, but I am the one with the burden to wield it. Destroying it now would silence the only lead we have. If I can prove these seeds all radiate from the same destination, then we can follow that trail and destroy the source of the bloom's power.
Challenge. You said seeds. You deduce much from only one.
You are correct, Tech Priest. I need more. One is not sufficient to prove my theory. Commander, you must send out your knights to harvest more.
You would have us limp around the sector with more of this corruption in my hold?
For
I
God's
agree
sake.
it is far from ideal, Dominus. But if the Inquisitor can locate the source of this corruption, then I advise we comply with her request.
Affirmative.
I didn't think it was an option.
We have no time to waste.
I flicked it on quickly there because suddenly we had an important cutscene coming through. Oh. Talk to the
We
fakir.
both have work to do. What do you need? Do you doubt me, Commander? I do not know where the psychic scent will lead us. Yet, several hundred, if we must. To be honest, I had doubted your chapter's very existence until recently. I contacted the Ordo directly for martial support. The Ordo has the best. My research beckons.
Yeah, well, let's set you on something else then. What we got? What's this? Source of the bloom. Advanced seed access. What's that do? Extractor servo skill. Okay. What's this? Heal 1. Oh, we can get them back quicker. Oh, that may have to happen actually. What's this? -2 corruption in system. Okay. What's this? Gate of Infinity. Oh, that's a stratagem then. Torpor. Okay. Let's do the heal one first. Yes. God knows I'm gonna need it.
Commander, let us be efficient. Preliminary analysis suggests their origin lies prior to the Great Heresy. The machine spirits can be corrupted by the warp like any soul. I once had the opportunity to study a Predator tank that served the Black Legion, waiting for new input. Ownership is irrelevant. My duty is to her.
Fair enough.
Its storied history eclipses that of anyone current waiting for new input. Risk factors remain significant. The interaction is over.
It is indeed. This is what I mean though. I did a mission that I didn't actually video where I actually got one guy killed, as it were. He's lost one of his his abilities to resist that, so, damn. I have been recruiting as well, but as you can see, I don't actually have a full team. So someone's going in wounded to the next battle. Although Storm will be back shortly. That'd be nice. Thule will be back as well. A couple of high-level ones, that'll give us a chance. But yeah, that's why I want the healing thing increased.
Do you seek wisdom, Commander? I am no ancient, but might be of some help. The cost of working with the Inquisition, brother. The Inquisitor's methodology has proved fruitful. Whatever best
Fair
helps
enough.
you, Commander. Nurgle is a powerful and detestably creative enemy. The Plague God does not simply desire death and destruction like Khorne. By all means, I hope that aids you, brother.
Not really, but you know. We do have another battle coming up. Improve reactor output. There we go. Let's see what we can make now. Loads of stuff unlocked, so we can go for reactor 2. What's the augmentation chamber do? Oh, it's the edicts. Most reliable source for augmentation of materials. Okay, fine. 30% research speed, 20% ship speed. That is tempting. And finally, we can actually improve the ship's battle capability. Improved reactor 2. That's a... Yeah, the Exterminator sounds really... Yeah. Another level of barracks if I wanted it. What does this do? Plus 50% experience points. Yeah. Apothecarion, what's this do? Harvest the gene seed of any knights whose injuries surpass the limit of the Apothecarion. The stasis chamber allowing them to be interned until they can be put to more productive use. Sounds weird. Barracks is tempting. Meditation chamber is tempting as well. Hull integrity. Gain 1 servitor per 10 days. 5 days. 50% construction speed. 150% again construction speed. That might actually pay for itself in the long run. And it's only going to cost me 2 servitors as well. I was thinking more of this. Construction speed. Then we go with the augmentation chamber. Gun batteries can be next. For requisition to a star system. I've got no prognosticars left. I've got one examining several systems, and that's something that she pointed out. Looks like we've only got a certain amount of time to get to it. It helps you against the plague. But I guess we got to... We're not there yet? Oh. That'll be why. Two lots of reinforcements. Seed carriers. Win the mission with no critical injuries. Well, I'll try that. I didn't manage it last time.
Elgon. Storm.
I'll take Storm with us. Fool can come with. And it would appear, unless I find anybody else. Okay, that works. Let's equip these guys. He's already equipped in Terminator armor. Okay, that's fine. Well, that ain't gonna change. Okay, fine. I think I'm actually quite happy with what he's carrying. Yeah. Okay, class restricted. Fine. Range attack, direct falcon, yeah. And the healer. Not ideal. Alright, come on.
Data indicates the sons of the Putrid Eye use these roads as a base of operation.
Another foul cult of Nurgle. There is little doubt we will find more of these seeds below.
Sons of the
Brothers,
Putrid Eye.
advance.
That sounds like a terrible Hell's Angels chapter or something. Oh my god. Sons of the Putrid Eye. They come up with some real howlers in this one sometimes. Eliminate all seed carriers. Looks like there's only one. Oh no, there's two. Win mission with no critical injuries. Alright. First and foremost, let's trigger that lot and just deal with them. So...
At once. The unfaithful are here. Ready yourselves.
that was the idea. Get some shite done here. I don't know what he's doing.
Just wait. Just wait. Loading grenade.
Oh dear.
What do we have here?
How do I get there? Cross that, presumably, and then up those stairs. Alright, yeah, sorry, where was I?
Storm.
Storm, old buddy.
Gliding through storm.
Start dealing with them.
I am the Emperor's fury. As ordered. I am the Emperor's fury.
Yeah, so you said. I think I'll take that hit.
Less than nothing. As ordered. Moving swiftly.
Get through this. Not like a bit of assault. Now.
Get away!
Gotcha.
Another one down.
That's not good.
Pain is beneath me.
Overwatch.
Wrong side, dude.
My blade is yours. Unleash me. What is your will? Advancing.
Oh, I just realised I'm using the wrong. I should have just shot him.
Oh, wounded. For the golden throne. These wounds will heal. Gratitude. On my way.
Oh yeah, this guy needs dealing with. Nah.
Face me. Fall.
He will.
Targets destroyed.
So, first lot are just up there, so.
As ordered. We are discovered. Brothers, strike for the chapter.
Apparently that doesn't stun him.
Feel my wrath. Yes, Commander. Another falls to the Knights of Titan. Blessed are our arms. Glory to Zythos.
Wow. If I were that guy, I'd be very nervous. 3 of them ambushed me on an upper area that I couldn't actually reach. I teleported up there, killed 2 of them. Admittedly, I had to use my stratagem to do it, but... I don't know. I'd still be nervous. God, I don't know what to do. There's not much I can do with him.
Affirmative.
Oh, okay.
Praise the Emperor.
There was a... Oh, that was a patrol up there. There's a bloom down there. Well, let's deal with the task in hand first then.
We strive. Taking position.
Oh.
Oh God, my blade is yours.
I presume that's one of them, and I have no idea where the other one is then. I thought it was up there originally. I thought it was one on the upper level. That seems to have disappeared. He's off.
You cannot harm me.
Bad choice, brother.
What is your will?
Because here's the thing.
With alacrity.
I better not use 4 strikes.
Fall.
2 will points. Ah, damn it. Running out of willpower for him.
As ordered. Lapdogs of the false emperor.
I thought that was one of the blooms, but it's not. It's just a... Oh, eliminate all seed carriers. Oh, these are guys carrying seeds. Okay. That's only going to be any good if I get somebody else to put guns on them.
Ever ready.
Yeah, just a
Your
card.
orders.
Apothecary.
Your command.
Better. Yeah. There we go.
The enemy is wounded.
I saw.
the bite of my sword. Taste my fury.
Look at that. Just short. How annoying. And guns are just short too. Everywhere I move takes 2 action points.
Aye, sir.
Except there.
Ignore the wounds. Advance with impurity.
Advance, he says, retreating. Wow. Well, I hit him. Didn't do a lot of damage. Where's he going?
Grandfather, hear my call.
He's healing. That's getting annoying. Well, they can basically run off and heal whenever they want.
Advance with impurity.
Did I get him? I did.
Reward for my loyal service.
Oh, I don't think so.
Standing ready. Door. At your service. My blade is what as you unleash me. Another falls to the Knights of Titan. Onward, brothers.
Go there. Can you... How far can you teleport? There.
Yes, Commander. It will be done.
Oh.
Standing ready. On my way.
You're the one that's always at the back.
Feel my wrath. No devil shall elude my gaze. My blade is yours.
Oh, it knocked him all the way down there. Okay.
It will be done. I shall halt their charge.
I doubt it.
Taking position. I am with you. Securing position.
Man, that's getting annoying.
Seeking better cover.
They're literally running away. So much for their devotion to chaos, then.
Taking position.
Damn right. I would rather. I've got 2 shots here. One down.
Ammo depleted.
Yeah, we'll deal with you in a second.
Yes, Commander. The Titan.
The knockback should or apparently knock forward. Oh, you're getting executed, mate.
We will rise again.
Yes, yes, we will.
As ordered.
Another patrol over there. Be nice if we knew how many seed carriers there were left.
Your orders.
Storm's getting a bit short of will here. This is a bit of a problem.
With me, my brothers.
You know what?
Aye, sir.
I thought it was explosive of some description.
Fall.
Can't quite get there. Oh well.
Your orders?
I mean, I don't really have anywhere for you to go.
As ordered.
I suppose I've got that. I already used it, haven't I?
I am here to serve.
Boars get over to him? No, he can't. Look at that, he's going to be just short.
I am weak.
That, however, works. Oh.
Well done, my brothers. However, the Blade God's minions converge on your location. Hold your ground until the Dominus can teleport you from the surface.
Okay.
Justice.
2 sets of them, and 3 turns. Eliminate all the seed carriers, but we've done that. To be honest, at this stage, I don't know which way. Whichever way I put this is going to be the wrong place, isn't it?
They shall not pass.
Never heard that before. Where did the other ones spring up? Over here somewhere.
On my way.
Oi.
They shall not pass.
Oh, I've got no ammo left. Let's get him up here to help them.
We are discovered.
Oh dear. Another patrol. And the reinforcements.
More corpses join the ranks.
Knights of the Throne!
One down.
Arms at the ready.
Looks like me on a bad day. They going to advance or what? They are. Oh, one down.
Gods, grant me strength.
Standing ready.
Be quite honest with you. Yeah, he's got his grenade anymore, that's annoying. Got no will left either. Though it does look like I'm going to be...
my brothers. Cower. Taste true death.
I think I might just have to leave Storm up there and let him deal with those remaining two. He's a big lad. He'll be able to handle it himself. We got more coming in down here. And this ain't good.
Vengeance.
Right, we
Mercy in death.
need to take this guy out before he starts raising the dead.
On my way.
Yeah. I think we're going to need Thule over here.
I am with you.
Shooting those guys, to be honest. No one's in range. Are you kidding me? Oh, he hasn't got any ammo left. Quickly deal with these guys first, and then we can move in on the main lot over there. What's going on here? I thought we got rid of the guy who did that. Ah, for God's sake.
Pain is beneath me. My armor remains a fortress.
Pinned.
Loaded.
I don't know what that is. I know what that is. The hell's that?
Attack! Kill them all! Die! 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 The angels shall fall! There, I see one. Die! Die! Die!
Okay. Seems like a good idea to get the hell out of there.
How did you?
Quite what I had in mind.
On my way. Vengeance! So to the unworthy. Moving now.
Because we may as well stay out of that, eh? I got rid of him.
Enemy down! Opening fire! No demon shall avoid its fate! The Aegis shield up.
I keep forgetting about the Aegis shield. Oh my god.
In an instant.
Need to get out of that mess.
Another one down.
That's what I was relying on. Oh, for God's sake. You've got to be kidding me. Can they just do this non-stop, basically? Every time somebody dies, they just bring them back to life. Because you literally have no defense against that. Oh, he's going to set a zone, is he?
Another falls to the Knights of Titan.
Die! Die! Die!
Suppressive fire. Okay.
Teleport coordinates locked. Initiating sequence.
Thank bloody God for that. Well done, guys. Enemy kind of threw a load at you. I'll tell you what. Interceptors are bloody useful, but you're going to have to keep a large number of them if you're going to form a squad because they get wounded easily. Anyway, we got some requisition there, so that's good. Who's this? No. It's a glaive, actually. I have interceptors, so that's... yeah. Yeah, pretty much everyone's wounded here. Anybody go up a level? No. No, I don't think anybody went up a level. 11 days, 15 days, 31 days. I mean, these two jokers went in wounded, so... I'm going to come up with that. The apothecary got absolutely shot to pieces. He came out of it intact, but then he didn't do very much, did he? Anyway. Hopefully by the time I come to my next battle, they'll be back anyway. There's no one to promote. Okay. Let's head for this place. Anyway, I'm going to call it there. GG. And I'll catch you at the next battle. Take care.